Wayne White here again. I'm going to do a watercolor demo. This time my cameraman has suggested doing a waterfall, and my favorite waterfall is Yosemite. So this is my source. It's not going to come out just like that, but I'm going to arrange things around a bit. But this is my inspiration. Yosemite Falls and the lower falls will be in the painting. I'm wetting the backside because that prevents it from wrinkling when I turn it over and start painting. Cliff area and behind where the pine trees will be. I want to get it a little darker at the top and let it. Cliff area. I'm going to mix what my colors are. Sienna, and I'm going to mix this with the blue. And then we're going to get a base color of the cliff gray. You're working fast. It's very easy to dig into the wrong color, which I'm often guilty of. The important thing is to get your first colors down fast, which I've done. These are dry things. The palm trees. I'm going to make this a taller palm tree than, well, it's not a palm tree. So, let's see, cobalt blue, and mixing that with the yellow. Dash of raw sienna in there. And I want it indicates some of the branches in the trunk. The cliffs now, you can see I'm staying with my big brush because I don't want to get bogged down in any detail here, so I'm letting my big brush do all the work. Add some detail to the cliff to show the crags and cracks and crevices, so it comes across as a cliff. Add a few strokes in here for the trunk of the tree. Just is add some motion to the waterfall. Finished. And this is my finished product, and I say almost finished. I might come back and do a few touch-ups, but this is a very quick, a very quick rendering of Yosemite Falls. When you're doing waterfalls, you can't be slow and meticulous. I'm just looking here to see what more I could do. I think that's, I don't know, probably enough. This came out a little warmer than they actually are. They're a colder gray. I made them a little warmer. I don't know. So sometimes I paint them cooler, but today I'm painting them warmer. Until next time, I hope you watch me again. This is Wayne White saying so long for now.